All right, problem number 2, talking about Antonia and Barbara start work at the same company on the same day, and they earn the same amount in their first year, which is 8,000 euros. Antonio follows plan A and Barbara follows plan B for how they're going to get paid in the following years. Plan A says for Antonia it increases by 450 euros each year, and plan B for Barbara says it increases by 5% each year. So Antonio is following an arithmetic sequence for his payment plan, and Barbara is following a geometric. So for problem A, it says calculate in part 1 Antonio's annual salary during his second year of employment. So we're going to be using the UN equation for an arithmetic sequence. So U2 is going to equal U1, which is 8,000, plus 2 minus 1 times our D value, which is 450. So if we put that in the calculator, we're going to get 8,450. Part 2 of letter A says Barbara's annual salary during her second year. So now we're using the UN equation for geometric, since that's what her sequence is. So U2 for Barbara is going to be, again, 8,000. That's her U1 times the R value. And again, since it's increasing by 5%, we need to add that percentage to 1, so it becomes 1.05 to the 2 minus 1 power. So if we type that in, we're going to get Barbara's salary in her second year, which is 8,400. Now, part B says write down an expression for Antonio's annual salary during the nth year. So we're doing what we did in part A, but instead of actually putting a number in for n, we're just leaving it as n. So for part 1, the equation is simply just going to be UN equals 8,000 plus n minus 1 times 450. Pretty simple. Part 2, we do the same thing for Barbara. So the nth year of employment. So her UN would equal 8,000 times 1.05 to the n minus 1 power. That's all you got to do for letter B.